presenting a new approach to in vitro rapid diagnostics with cutting-edge technology through rigorous quality control for healthy and prosperous lives. We are Rapigen. In 2002, Rapigen set foot on a journey with big aspirations and dreams by pushing through many challenges and searching for differentiated technology. Rapigen soon began exporting rapid diagnostic products around the world, establishing a growing global presence. In 2006, Rapigen succeeded in developing optimized black-gold nanotechnology. Through continuous research and making great strides towards launching second-generation RDT device that reacts to the minimal amount of viruses. Rapigen's technology, cultivated over many years of experience and advancement, seeks to contribute to the better health and prosperity of humankind. With optimized performance in detecting COVID-19 and having an exemplary example of being a qualified K-diagnostic provider, BioCredit is being exported to Europe, Asia, America, Australia and Africa. Simple and easy to use at the point of care, with fast results and capable of identifying the mutated variants. Rapigen's BioCredit is intuitively designed. Built based on solid technology combined with research in science and development, the new second-generation BioCredit PLDH-based malaria RDTs now detect evolving malaria parasites that first-generation HRPII-based malaria RDTs could not identify. Rapigen works with leading international organizations, deepening our connections through shared visions, and have been a trusted partner to businesses of all sizes with our unique strengths to create innovations that remove roadblocks to health issues. Providing what the world needs next and following where science leads. Rapigen aims to bring innovations to life. Working towards increasing healthcare efficiency, Rapigen will deliver sustainable value by providing solutions in line with the future. Connecting the dots for a better world and seeking the prosperity and health of humankind. Rapigen creates value to bring a positive change to the world.